So I seen that it was no video about what a trucker should take on the road. So I am going to tell you all what me, my husband, and Charity came up with. So first thing first, let's just take care of the mouth. You have Listerine, you have deodorant, you have, where's Daddy body wash? Go says to tell Daddy he didn't bring his body wash back down here. Yes. Go get the body wash. He does have body wash. Okay, put these right here. Yes. So he has wipes, and I like the smaller ones because they can fit no sun. That goes over there. That's for the house. And he has like some off-brand ones just so if he want to use it for something. But I like the ones, the name brand ones for germs. I'm sorry. He has tissues just in case he has a boogie, like I told him. And he has a case of waters, as y'all see. He has Lysol wipes, so for the truck. And then I bought him, we got him some Lysol wipes so when he goes to the truck stops, so he don't have to take, everything will be separate. So his bag will be ready. And then he has body wipes. So, okay. He has body wipes for when he needs it in the truck. You know what they are for. Toothpaste, a big nice thing of toothpaste. He has some Equisoft just in case he has some heartburn. He has a comb for his beard, and he will have some hair when he come back home. He have a two-sided brush because his hair definitely will change. You can put that on the floor right here. He has some shampoo. He has some oil, some hand sanitizer. This little spray bottle, I'm gonna put some cleaning supplies in it and mix it with water so he'll be able to clean his urinals out. He does have 2 urinals. This is his baby wipes, so if he needs them when he's at the truck stop. These are food wise. He's going to potentially go to Walmart, so we wanted to get him just a couple of things, just is in there, just so before he gets started. So he has his granola bars, his fruit cups, and he has Tylenol just in case he have a headache. Getting this stuff. Can you please stop touching this stuff? Thank you. No, just wait with that. Thank you. Getting this stuff at a truck stop can be expensive. That's what I heard. I don't know because I'm not a trucker. He has a first aid kit. He actually has 2 of them because it's not a lot. And I'm an overpacker and not an underpacker. He has some floss. He has these ones, but I would prefer him to have this to cover up his whole toothbrush. He has gloves to clean anything that he needs. It's 50 gloves. He has forks and spoons. He has lotion, air freshener, and he has Lysol spray just in case he needs it. He has Tide to wash his clothes. He has 2 small bottles of Tide. This is a thermal. Now, if he was to get have like oatmeal or something, which this is what we bought it for, it will keep it warm. So if he want to take warm water back to the truck, he'll be able to make his oatmeal in here. And here go his oatmeal. At home we normally make it, but when you're out on the road, you're out on the road. So he has 3 of the fruit cups. He has a laundry bag for his dirty laundry, to be separated from his clean. He has some dish liquid just in case he wants to drop this in his urinal and while he at the truck stop to get it really clean. As y'all probably heard in my voice that I'm a little OCD and trucker's life is definitely not for me. but this is turning fish on the go. Just to see how he likes them. Got him 4 of them for right now to see. And this little bowl set is really nice. It's an ice pot pack in the middle of it, and your bowls just stick here. Say if he goes out to dinner somewhere, and he wants his leftovers, but the container is too big for the refrigerator. Here you go. 2 things to cups of noodles. Try not to do too much cups of noodles because it's sodium. And vitamins. Limitless is basically it. I love these products. It definitely helps keep you healthy and protects you against all kinds of different illnesses. This is called LOV. This is limitless, and it helps with your blood, and it helps give you energy. So he's not used to driving really long hours, so this is good for him. And he has his immune. This is going to help his immune system, and he has a daily vitamin that's not down here, but it will be taken here with him. He also has these wet ones. He asked me why did he need them, because he has these. Well, again, I'm trying to make sure that he compartmentalize things from the truck, things from when he gets off the truck, so he won't, sometimes he may not have the time to search in his bag. So he'll have these, like he could put these in, a couple of them in his wallet, and he'll be good to go, just in case he need it. He has some fruit snacks. I bought these really cute lemonades from Target. They're so cute. He likes these honest teas. Again, he's going to be in orientation for a little while, so he'll definitely need some of this stuff. Peanuts. He has Pop-Tarts, and I already showed the waters. I was about to say, why did we get to? Oh, Hannah. Demaya, get her, please. She hit her head. You okay, Hannah? And you okay? You just tapped it. You just tapped it, baby. So he has these Dixie cups. No, he's not taking 400 Dixie cups. There's no need. He's going to take about 30 because he'll be away for like 30 days. So take a couple of those cups. And then he has some chips that he's going to take with him. He's going to take his razor kit. He has his flashlight. He has his pillows. And in here at Target, I found some really nice towels. It's supposed to be odor resistant, and it's supposed to not hold water so much. It's supposed to be really good. He has washcloths in there, and then he has this Tommy Hilfiger 4-size sheet set, and it comes with his own bag, so that's good. Can you not do that, Hannah? And then he has 2 pair of shower shoes. Here he has his clothes. So he has 1, 2, 3 pair of jeans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shirts. 7, 8 shirts. Hannah just wants to be there, y'all. I think she knows that her ball is going to win. And in here he has socks. I think he bought 2 packs of big packs of socks. About 12 shirts. He has boxes. He has hooping shorts. He has a line of, he has like 4 pair of hooping shorts. I'm telling him to pack some sweatpants in here. He likes his sweats. But that's it.